So hello guys, welcome back to LT Education. So in our previous video we had defined the absence quota. Now we'll be working on how accrual of absence quota take place. Okay. So for that, first of all we will go to time management. Under time management we will go to time data recording and administration. Okay. After that we will be going to managing time accounts using attendance and absence quotas. Okay. Once you click on this, this will expand and then you will be able to see the another icon calculating absence entitlement. Okay. Under that we will go to automatic accrual of absence quotas. After that we will be clicking permit generation of quotas in time evaluation. So we will be how this absence quota will get generated. So we will be selecting this option permit generation of quotas in time evaluation. Okay. Once we click on this, we will find our absence quota here. We will be selecting our ESC group, which we have grouped our employee one U1 type of employees in ESC grouping 1 and PSC grouping 10. Then absence quota type we have created as 21 in our previous video. So here you will see there are three options. You can see these are the settings. We have defined the negative deduction up to 2 days and the time constant class we have selected as 2. So all those settings are automatically fetching up. So now we will be seeing three options. Okay. No generation of quota will take place during time evaluation. Quota will get generated and it will get added. So increase means the when the time evaluation will done, the quota will get generated, and replace means the quota will get generated and will add the generated balance will be added into the previous balance of absence quota. Okay, if we select increase icon, if we select the replace radio button, what will do, the time quota will get generate but it will replace the previous value. So for example, the previous value of absence quota is 1, but when we run the time evaluation, the if the for example for every month 1.2 days are or 1.5 days are get accrued, okay, in absence quota. So if we select this option and you may see if the your absence quota value was 1, so that amount will not be added, the new generated quota amount 1.5 days will not be added into 1. What will do, it will replace the existing value 1 with the 1.5. Okay, so these are the three options. So we will be selecting our option as a no generation of quotas during time evaluation. So if we select this icon, the quota will generated when we run the program as RPT QTA 00. Okay, so in that case only the quota will get generated, our absence quota will get generated, and it will get saved in the info type 2006 for that particular employee. Okay, so you have to run this program if you select the no generation of quota during time evaluation. Okay, that's all our video.